What's up guys, this is Shan Heather and today we are going to have a detailed review of Soundcore Liberty Air 2 Pro active noise cancellation earbuds. So we will talk about its design, performance, features, all of its pros and cons while performing a quick unboxing as well. But before we start all of these, if you have not subscribed to this channel till now, then hit the subscribe button and the bell icon as well. So first of all, let's start with the unboxing. Inside the retail box, you will find the charging case, the left-right Liberty Air 2 Pro earbuds, a sticker showing where is the touch sensor on the Liberty Air 2 Pro, some quick start guide, user manuals, welcome card, a USB Type-C cable to charge the charging case, and a bunch of ear tips. So the very first thing that impressed me the most is that how many pairs of ear tips Anker is providing. Most of the brands, they provide 3 to 4 ear tips with their earphones. The maximum I have got so far is 7 pairs of ear tips with Razer Hammerhead True Wireless Pro Gaming earbuds, but here Anker is providing 9 pairs of ear tips. So this is pretty impressive. It would be even better if Anker could provide at least a pair of memory foam ear tips as well. Now talking about the design, Liberty Air 2 Pro comes with nice smooth curves and sharp edges, and because of this combination it looks quite beautiful and premium. On both left and right unit we got the shiny Soundcore logo and the branding. The color accent of the exterior is different compared to the interior of the Liberty Air 2 Pro. We got the golden fan-like grille on both earphones, and the charging connection points are also golden, giving a premium look to the Liberty Air 2 Pro. The silicone ear tips provided are comfortable and you can wear Liberty Air 2 Pro for hours without feeling any discomfort. We got microphones on each unit of Liberty Air 2 Pro, so they can be used separately, and we got the touch sensor right beneath the Soundcore logo. Now talking about the charging case, it comes with the same smooth velvety texture that feels so nice while holding the charging case. It also comes with a huge shiny Soundcore logo at the top. On the back we got the USB Type-C port and a very stealthy button next to it. This is a wireless charging case, so you can charge it using the USB Type-C cable provided or a wireless charger or the reverse wireless charging capable smartphone as well. The lid of the charging case slides out smoothly and opens and closes with a very nice, smooth, satisfying click. We got 3 LED indicators on the charging case and the bottom is pretty flat to stay stable when we put it on a wireless charging pad. Now talking about the audio quality, Soundcore Liberty Air 2 Pro comes with the Soundcore signature equalizer turned on by default that is pretty high on the treble side and provided a very unimpressive 10-ish output to my ears. But once I use the Hear ID feature from the Soundcore application that analyzes your hearing frequencies and based on that creates a personalized audio profile for your ears, the sound quality was way better and quite impressive. So I will suggest everyone buying this Liberty Air 2 Pro to use the Hear ID feature to get the better audio output from the Liberty Air 2 Pro, and if you want you can also use the custom equalizer to set up the audio output based on your hearing preference. Overall the audio quality is quite nice, especially the mids and highs are very well amplified to enjoy the vocals and music instruments, but it lacks deep bass a bit. Using the Soundcore smartphone application you can check the battery status of both left and right unit individually. You can also perform the tip fit test to find the most suitable ear tips for your Liberty Air 2 Pro. You can also customize the touch control and gestures that you can use on Liberty Air 2 Pro. So we got the single tap, double tap and hold for 2 seconds, and using these you can perform 6 different types of commands on Liberty Air 2 Pro. The sensitivity of the touch sensor is quite nice and it works perfectly every single time. You can also turn on or off the wearing detection on Liberty Air 2 Pro. It pauses the music as soon as you remove the earphones from your ear, but once you put them back, sometimes it fails to start playing the music once again. You can also turn on or off the voice prompt and update the software of Liberty Air 2 Pro from the smartphone application. Now talking about the active noise cancellation, Liberty Air 2 Pro comes with 4 different modes of noise cancellation that you can use based on your necessity and requirements. It also comes with a transparency mode that amplifies the ambient sound to give you better idea of your surrounding. It works very well, but the amplification of the ambient sound is not that high as we have seen on some other earbuds. The transparency mode also provides the vocal mode that enhances the human voice. Particularly, Liberty Air 2 Pro comes with 3 microphones on each unit, so we got total 6 noise cancelling microphones that really helps in having a crystal clear voice calling sessions. And talking about the battery life, you will get around 5 to 6 hours of battery life depending on how loud is the volume and how much you are using the ANC feature. And you can use the provided charging case to charge the Liberty Air 2 Pro for a bit more than 2 times. So you will get anything between 15 to 18 hours of battery life with the help of charging case on Liberty Air 2 Pro, and this is quite nice as well. Overall, Liberty Air 2 Pro is a very nice earphone, especially if you're planning to buy an active noise cancellation earphones without spending too much money. The design and build quality is quite solid and premium. The earphones and the charging case looks very beautiful. The battery life is quite good. The performance of touch sensors is also very nice. When it comes to audio quality, Liberty Air 2 provides a very nice audio experience, and the performance of active noise cancellation is also pretty impressive, and it also provides many different modes that you can use for the noise cancellation. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.